My young friends, I'm going to take you back to 1999 July. July 1999. And the false French prophet of the 16th century was on the lips of everybody. All around the globe. He made it big time. The media were interested. Made the headlines in the newspaper, chat shows, radio. Everyone around the globe, July 17, was talking about the false French prophet of the 16th century. Everyone, Muslim, non-Muslim alike, was talking about Nostradamus and his prediction that the world was going to end. Now the surprising thing, my young friends, is Nostradamus made many a prediction. And if you look at the predictions that Nostradamus made, majority of his predictions, he wasn't a Nabi of Allah that he was receiving revelation and whatever he said was going to take place. He was just an ordinary individual. Many a prediction that he made in the past proved to be wrong. But in spite of this, that the majority of the predictions Nostradamus made proved to be wrong, surprising thing was, people still believed that the world was going to end on the predicted day. We're just so simple that whatever we hear, we will believe. We won't think, ponder, how can it be? We're just so simple. We will never question. Whatever somebody says, we'll take that as God's word. Somebody WhatsApp something, nobody will even analyze the text. And all of a sudden, it's gone round a few million times. So here as well, people actually began to believe that the world was going to end the day Nostradamus predicted the world was going to end. So much so that some Kawthar actually left their homes looking for a refuge. Yeah, the world was going to end and you're looking for a refuge. It's a contradiction in itself. If you believe the world is going to end and there's doom, how can you look for a place to hide? How can you look for a refuge, a safe haven? People were looking for refuge and safe havens. In the city of Leeds in England, you had the New Age travelers sitting in a neat round circle in the center of Leeds with all their belongings. Again, look at it. You know how simple we are as people. They're sitting in a neat round circle in the center of Leeds with all their belongings, waiting for, with their heads down, waiting for the world to come to an end. Again, you're waiting for the world to come to an end with all your belongings. Where are you going to take them? Crazy. This is how simple we are as people. So they're sitting in a neat round circle with all their belongings, heads down, waiting for the world to come to an end. Now Allah the Almighty works in miraculous ways, and I can still remember to this very day, because this is when I delivered this talk. This was the first time I delivered this talk in July 1999, and now I'm repeating it after 16, 15 years. I can remember to this very day that night there was thunder and there was lightning. Look how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala plays with the individual. There's thunder and there's lightning on that particular night. And I guess that must have increased fear in the hearts of the weak. Those that actually believe that the world was going to come to an end. But I ask you, my young friends, did the world come to an end come July 1999? No. You better believe it because you're still alive. You're sitting here, you're alive. 15 years on, the world did not come to an end.